In today's video, I'm going to teach you Gmail account recovery when forgot password. We'll focus on a reliable method that helps you get back in quickly by using a password you've used before. This is especially helpful if you've forgotten your current password or suspect it was changed. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Gmail account recovery. From the results, click on the page titled How to Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. On that help page, scroll until you see Forgot Your Password, and then select the link that says Recover Your Google Account or Gmail. This takes you to Google's official recovery flow. When prompted, enter the email address for the account you want to recover, then click Next. You'll see a password field. If you actually remember your current password, go ahead and enter it and you'll regain access right away. If you don't remember it or think it was changed, click Try Another Way to move to alternate recovery options. Here's where the last password method comes in. Google will ask for a password you remember using on this account. Type the most recent password you can recall. If you can't remember the latest one, enter any previous password you're confident about. The more recent, the better. Don't stress if you're unsure. A thoughtful guess is fine, and incorrect attempts at this step won't lock you out of the recovery process. Once you've entered a previous password, click Next. If it matches Google's records, you'll be guided forward and your access will be restored. After you're back in, you'll see an option to update your password. Click Update Password to replace the old password you no longer remember. Create a strong, secure password that's unique to this account. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything easy to guess. Consider storing it safely in a trusted password manager so you don't lose it again. When you're done, click Save Password to confirm the change. That's the entire process for recovering your Gmail account using a previously known password. Keep in mind, staying signed in on a familiar device and keeping your recovery details up to date can make this process smoother next time. I hope this walkthrough made each step clear and stress-free. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.